we're gonna do a quick and easy way to sew on a button. Normally you'd have matching thread, but I'm gonna do a contrast so you can see it. And this is more for a shirt button rather than a coat. So I'm gonna have a piece of thread, but I'm going to do mine double. Now the loop end, I'm gonna pass the loop over the point of the sewing needle between my fingers, and this creates a nice tight loop to thread through the eye of the needle. Now the loop is going to become my long end and the cut ends of the short end, because this way we don't need a knot. So then I'm going to put a little stitch where my button is going to go, and I'm going to pull the needle through the loop. So now we're anchored without a knot. Then I'm going to fold my fabric in half, and then with my button I'm going to put my needle through the bottom hole. Now I can place the fabric between the holes in the button, and then through the top, then through the bottom hole again. Now my thread is double, so we don't need to do this many times. Okay, so you can see our button. Then we're going to flatten it out and we can see it's secure. Then I'm going to wrap the thread around the button a couple of times. Then again, but this time leaving a loop to put my needle under and tie a knot. I'll do this again. Then maybe a little stitch underneath, just between the threads, and again through the loop to create a knot. You can pull your needle through away from the button and then cut the thread, and then that's our button on the front, nice and secure.